Most people think AI is complicated, but simple AI tools can save you real money every month. First, subscription tracking AI. It finds recurring subscriptions you forgot and cancels wasted services. That alone can save $30 to $60 monthly. Second, AI meal planners. They build low-cost grocery lists and reduce food waste. Expect $40 to $70 savings. Third, AI price trackers and coupon finders. They automatically hunt discounts for major purchases and groceries. Small savings add up fast. Fourth, AI energy advisors. A few prompts can tune your thermostat schedules and suggest device scheduling. Cut $20 to $40 from your bills. Fifth, AI budgeting assistants. They categorize spending, recommend micro adjustments, and stop overspending before it happens. An easy $30 plus per month. Try one tool this week, then add another next month. Combined, these simple steps can reach around $200 in monthly savings. No advanced skills required. This is Watson Wallets, practical tech for smarter money.